This is a Ram 2500 Black Pearl. We're going to answer the question, is this the best lightweight tourer in Australia? Front end of this one, as you can see, got the Offroad Creative bar in texture black. We have done a partial chrome delete, so we've color coded the 6 bonnet molds, top and bottom, gone for a full satin black internal on the grille there. And it's got the Stedi lighting package inside. It's got the carbon 15K winch in there. This one, simply turn on the isolator switch inside the bonnet. If you think you're going to need the winch, you've got your wireless remote control there to then do that. Up on top you can see the massive Lazerlamp light bar there, so this is on top of the Big Dog Builds accessory rack for the Ram. Super neat setup. It's got T-slot aluminium crossbars. You can mount things like solar panels, max tracks, and as you can see here we've got little drop down aerials for the UHF and the Telstra Selfie. So dropping down those ones on the side a little bit there. This particular customer needs to try to keep it as low as he can, so these fold down brackets next to the roof rack were the option here. You've got your little Stedi side lights. We've gone for the amber color there. These through the Switch Pro you can dim down these lights in 3 different levels, which is nice and neat. As you can see, Yokohama tyres wrapped on some Method 312 in the bronze with the black lip. So this one here we've gone for the full Carli suspension kit, of course, their most popular 2.5-inch levelling kit, so the Carli Pintop with the King's 2.5 shocks. We've got the Carli torsion sway bar there, as well as the Dominator weld-on shock mount. So these shock mounts are known to be the weak point in the Ram 2500. Going in and beefing these up with the shock mounts from Carli in the US is just great. Superior ride performance is all about your suspension, your wheels and tyres, as well as your airbag setup in the back. So we've got the triple bellow Boss airbags in this one. Just manual inflation for now. This customer's got an air compressor that he uses, a little portable one, having the airbags in the back. The trailer that you're towing, you inflate, deflate these bags to suit, as well as the Gen Y hitch on the rear here. So 4.5 ton Gen Y hitch combo, 4-hole drop, as well as your AT ton, which is your DO35 as well as your DO45. Drives great. These Yokohamas have got the 128Q load rating, and this thing just looks amazing. The black on these Rams with a little bit of color coding, keeping a little bit of chrome in the badges, just looks amazing. We'll whip around to the back and show you that. And the moment you've been waiting for, these RSI Smartcap canopies are definitely becoming more and more popular on traditional smaller utes and now on these big American trucks, and we'll show you exactly why. The amount of storage setups you can do, you can keep it as minimal as you want, or you can go in and add these storage boxes like this one has. We've gone and installed an Anderson plug into each one of these bins to charge things like drones, tablets, whatever you want, from the little 12 volt to 240 volt inverter. And we've got the rear door here, nice and simple to use. All the doors are lockable. Got your tailgate down, and as you can see, the amount of storage space inside these canopies with this on the top, it's sort of you can set it up exactly how you want. You can go and bolt power options under the bins, on top of the bins, use the headboard of the tub. This one here, we've gone for the Bed Slide 2000 HD. The reason why this one's so popular is because this particular customer is going to slide things out like his e-bikes. So they're going to charge up while you're driving. They're going to sit in here and make nice, easy access lifting on and off those bikes. The 1,000 pounds, so roughly 500 kilo payload on there, static. Slide that back in. It's got its different stages that it can lock and just looks super, super neat. And this particular model, the customer's gone for these neat little drawer setup in this side as well. So simply unlock those 2 tabs there. You got 2 little neat storage bins for whatever you want, phones, devices. I could see myself using it for a bit of electrical setup in one, a bit of dirty gear in the other side, recovery gear and things like that. But yeah, these things are looking awesome. Nice, simple, lightweight. Is this the best lightweight tourer? Leave a comment down below, but these things, when they're color coded like this one is to the vehicle, definitely see them becoming more and more popular here in Australia in this next year or so.